All right, and we're back and we're looking at the config.ini file. And so let me kind of show you first. There's three different versions of this that I want to show you, depending on who you are and at what point you're jumping into the game. So this first one is going to be the version that we started with a few years ago. And so at this point, you're welcome to delete the OpenDental, Dentrix, Eaglesoft, PracticeWorks. All of that is now handled under Clinic 1. And so that's because you're able to do Clinic 1, Clinic 2, Clinic 3, and each one could have its own database credentials, its own software. As long as it's on the same computer or you have credentials to get there, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we no longer separate those into their own sections. And so if you open one up and it has the remnants of a OpenDental, Dentrix, whatever, it's safe to get rid of them. We used to have a script that automatically cleaned that up, but we eliminated that code after we got rid of most of it. Okay, so the next thing is the settings section. We're going to say ignore the registry. Okay, true or false. And so here I've got inside my application. It reads this entire configuration file and it goes through and it will copy each section into the registry. And then if this file ever becomes corrupted, it can pull that information back out of the registry. However, there are certain items that I don't commonly allow to be overwritten. Just because, for example, the bearer token. Once we have a good token, there's no reason to ever overwrite a good token, especially with an empty value. Okay, we don't want to allow that. So we only ignore the registry if we really need to. And so give me a second. I'll pull up the registry just in case you guys want to know where it is.